Man, let me tell you this now, alright? You don't see some things when you ain't really trying to look for stuff, and it just makes you shake your head. Because honestly, sometimes I ask myself, what is this world coming to? It's ridiculous. I was sitting down one day, I was just bored, and I do what I do sometimes, pick up my phone, start browsing through it, checking out people's IM and stuff, stalking, I guess. I happened to stumble across my boy's instant message display picture, and all I could say is that it was the weirdest thing I ever saw. And it's not to say he was doing anything weird, but it was just, for a straight male, it's some things that you just shouldn't do. You gotta be careful of the kind of pictures you take. So let me show you exactly what the picture looked like. Let's go ahead and run it. I'm really not trying to judge anything, but all I can say is that picture looked a little...
How you doing?
If you know what I mean. And there's nothing wrong with that. But if you profess to be a straight male, I don't know, buddy. It was something a little off about that. So, as I said before, you really gotta be careful, what you do when you take pictures of yourself. And having said that, that kind of leads me to the whole point of this video that I like to entitle Male Selfie Rules. Here's a list of 5 rules that I came up with, and the rules that I abide by when I'm taking pictures or whatever. These are rules that you should really follow to avoid taking any kind of weird pictures or any kind of suspect pictures or anything that might have somebody questioning, what team you play for, if you know what I mean. Avoid using the term selfie if you can. Now, obviously I've been using it multiple times through this video because, well, I don't really have a choice. After this video is done, and when you're out there doing your everyday thing, you need to know that as a man, you probably shouldn't be using the word selfie. Say whatever you want. You can call it self-photographic manipulation. I mean, I'd think of something, but just don't call it a selfie. I feel that the word selfie falls into a pool of words that men probably shouldn't be using. Words such as fuchsia, chic, fantabulous, bestie, OMG. Just stuff that the guys shouldn't be saying, you know what I mean? If you can, guys, avoid the word selfie. Save yourself some trouble, make yourself look a little more manly. Let's move on to rule number 2. I call this the normal face rule. So if you're gonna go ahead and take a picture of yourself, you wanna have just a regular expression. Either no expression, or a smile. Now, if you're gonna take a picture of yourself, dudes, you gotta realize there's some stuff that you shouldn't do while you're taking that picture. For instance, no pouting lips, tilting your head, no squinty eyes, duck lips, nothing like that there, alright? Let's just keep it simple. One of the big things, no makeup. Let's go ahead and look back at that picture that I showed before of my reenactment of what the guy did. And you can see that he was breaking all kinds of rules. So normal facing photos, guys, trust me, the world will thank you. Here's one that I personally hate. Alright, it's taking a picture of yourself in the mirror. Now, it's bad enough, I hate it when girls do it because I just think it looks tacky. I mean, then that it becomes a thing to do to take a picture of yourself taking a picture. You just shouldn't be doing this at all. Not at all, alright? Because it's not cool. Look, I understand that you've been in the gym, doing your thing, getting your little lift on, getting swole and everything, but that don't mean that you have to subject each and every one of us to a picture of yourself with your shirt up and your pants dragged down just above your crotch so you can show off your little bitty abs and your pecs and all greasy and stuff. Come on, guys, man. That always looked very suspect to me, and I never understood why people did it. Now, having said that, I'm a little jealous because I ain't got all that. Well, yeah, I am. But I don't think it looks right, just in general. So, guys, don't do that, all right? Rule number 4, and this one here is less about the picture itself, but more about the frequency of how often you're taking these pictures. Now, I think as a guy, you shouldn't have more than at least 2 or 3 selfies. Like, if this is social media, 2 or 3 selfies in total, all right? Ain't no reason for your whole profile to be filled up with all kinds of pictures of you taking selfies, because that means that you're probably doing something like this. See? Let me try another angle. Face is chubby. We'll see what's going on. See what I mean? Something not too cool about that, right? Exactly. So just turn it down. Like, if you love yourself and you love your face or whatever, cool. But I mean, you don't need to have so many selfies in there. There's a whole world out there for you to take advantage of. Go ahead and just use it, you know? Have somebody take a picture of you. Go to a photographer. Pose in the rocks or whatever, with the hair blown through your jerry curl. So this is the 5th rule. This one is about hairy man face touching each other. Alright, so let's say, you know, you went out with your boy or whatever. That's cool, and you know, you're enjoying yourself and everything. You want to get a picture to remember the night or whatever. What you do, you know, you go take out your phone or your camera, whatever. You hold it up, and the two of you start leaning in so that you can go ahead and take that picture. Stop. A selfie rule is about to be broken. And as I mentioned, it's number 5. All that hairy man face action, big sweaty jaws, just connecting and touching, that just shouldn't happen, alright? Now, if you're gonna take a picture like that there, I believe, personally, there should be a female in between. I like to call this the feminine contact law of association, or FCLOA for short. I don't know, that was bad. What this means is that if you're gonna put yourself in a situation where you gotta be really jammed together, you might want to make sure there's a female separating every guy in that picture, because, as I said, you're breaking rule number 5. Also, if you happen to have short Kevin Willis T-Rex kind of arms, then if you can't hold it out far enough so that the two of you could separate your heads, then either give the camera to somebody else or just give up on that picture altogether, because once again, you're breaking rule number 5. Alright? Got it? Good. So, that's about it, folks. The 5 selfie rules. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. And guess what? I know that you probably know at least 1 or 2 people out there on your list or wherever, maybe on your instant message, your phone, your WhatsApp, your BlackBerry Messenger, you know, whatever it is that you use, your iMessage or whatever it's called on iPhone. If you see somebody breaking those rules, make sure you send them this video and let them know you're doing something wrong, bruh. You were doing something wrong. And let's hope that this will help them change their pattern of delinquent behavior. Alright? This is your boy Riddy, Male Selfie Rules. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Rate, comment, subscribe. Come back and check my channel as much as you want and tell somebody about it, alright? That's it from me, y'all. Peace.